Well, I've done it. I've sold the Mini. And I don't know if I wanted to. I've absolutely loved owning this car. It's been brilliant. I bought it as a track car. And it's been awesome. It's been to all these places. Donington, Cadwell, Mallory, Blyton, Anglesey. I really enjoyed owning it, but it's a bit too nice to turn it into a full track car. And I wanted a project, I wanted something to muck about with, and I've come to the end of its project, if you like. I can't really do much more with it without making it into something that I don't want to make it. I don't want to destroy it and turn it into a track car. You know, we've got the Mazda if we want to use it on the track. So yeah, that's going to be the end of the Mini. A lovely man yesterday came down, left me a deposit on it. It's all right having all these cars, but you know, they're all taxed and insured and MOT'd, and costing me a fortune to keep them all. For when, you know, they probably aren't, I don't use them all that much, to be fair. And anyway, not only that, I need the room for this new motor.